Hey everyone, back with another vlog. It's the weekend here, so I don't have any work to do for my day job. So today I just get to spend all my time working on my side project, which is the traveling app I told you guys about. I'll share a bit more about it and show you guys some of the features today. But first, I have some friends in town, so I'm gonna grab a quick bite before hitting up a coffee shop. We're gonna be exploring downtown Raleigh a little bit. Drive us.
What's going on, YouTube? We're gonna go to Heirloom Coffee. Heirloom Coffee, downtown Raleigh.
Is this sketch?
No. Oh, that? Yeah. I was going so slow.
I just killed that chicken sandwich. Now it's time for some coffee. Then I'm gonna get some work done. So the app I've been working on is to help with a few different things, but the biggest feature is just to keep track of your favorite places when you travel, or even just around your hometown. It's happened to me so many times when people ask me where's my favorite place to eat or go in a certain city, and I can never really remember everything off the top of my head. Now I can just send them a list easily from the app, or they can just search up my user and find it. I'll show you guys one of the flows of the app. So each user will have their home page where they can see all the cities they've added. They can also then click into a city and see all of the list for that city, and then they can easily click into that list to see all of the pins in that list. Pins are what I'm calling the places that you add. It's a really simple flow right now, but I'm trying to add more features to help users become able to discover new places easily. When I travel, I always want to go to places that locals go to, but how do you find them? That's one of the issues I'm trying to solve. I'm curious how you guys discover new places when you travel, or even around your own city. So share in the comments and let me know. Also, if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them, because I really want to build this in a way that helps a lot of people. Anyways, today the feature I'm trying to build is an onboarding. When the user first logs into the app, I want to allow them to go through an onboarding process and walk them through adding their first city, list, and their first pin. That way they aren't confused and at least know how to use the core features of the app. It's kind of funny, surprisingly, I'm not a fan of onboarding processes, and I usually like to struggle my way through an app when I'm using it, but I think the onboarding will really help here. Of course, I'll have a skip button for people like me though. I need to bust out my iPad first because I need to do some flow charting. I want to make sure I have the logic correct for when the onboarding should show. It's not only for users who just register for the app, because I thought about a situation like, what if they register and then kill the app? What should happen in that case? Sometimes when coding, planning really helps first, and doing that with flowcharts or some other visual way always helps me. I'm not the best of keeping track of all the logic in my head, and I always push working out logic on paper first, or in my case an iPad, because it really helps you visualize everything and just see where the user will be going or what state the app will be in front of you, and not have to like keep track of all that logic in your head. So got all the logic worked out now, so time to code it. Luckily, the code for creating the data is already written, since they're technically already existing features. So I just need to move that logic to the onboarding flow as well. I'm using Flutter for this app, by the way, and currently using Block for state management. I want to come up with a better way of reusing those blocks, because I currently create a new block for each feature, pretty much. So there's a lot of files, and I really think I could start reusing some things. So the onboarding works, kinda. It definitely works for when the user first logs in. I route them to the onboarding instead of the normal homepage. But the problem is the edge case that I mentioned earlier, where if the user registers and then maybe they don't want to continue right now, so they kill the app. Since when they return to the app, they're technically already logged in. It doesn't do the rerouting that's happening before. So it takes them to the current homepage. I need that to take them to the onboarding instead. So I need to fix some logic there. But the coffee shop is closing, and I'm gonna head out to grab some more food and chill with these guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'm really new to this YouTube thing and trying to get better with the videos. So let me know what you want to see more of. Do you like these more technical vlogs, or do you want a traditional day in the life? Share in the comments any recommendations or questions, guys. I'm open and love to chat with y'all. Take care.